Fatima, what you doing? I'm reading the Universal Yums brochure from Brazil. Oh, I see that you are. What have you discovered? Look at the back page. Okay. Oh, it's a capybara. Yes. Did you see what else it says? It's a rodent. Okay. I don't want a box made by a rodent. Oh. I think I'll skip this one. I'm going shopping. You and Jeff can have this box. Okay. Happy shopping. Well, I guess the camel is not joining us on this box, and we don't have to fight with her to get to have our share.
That sounds good. I guess we shouldn't tell her we're thinking about adopting a pet capybara.
Oh, won't she be surprised?
She'll be so pleased.
So, welcome to our review of the Universal Yums box for February. This is the box from Brazil, and there is a link down in my description box if you're interested in giving it a try. And we get the $17 a box month. That's their smallest level. They do have 2 larger boxes if your appetite desires. And what's our first item?
First up, we have pepperoni cracker bites, which are based on Brazilian/Italian calabresa sausage. So sort of like pepperoni.
So this is what they look like.
Crispy, spicy, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I like those.
I like these, yeah. A nice bit of zing, but not enough to knock you into the next room. And
yeah,
good taste. I'm impressed.
Yeah, those are delicious. I'd have those again.
Me too.
Next up, we have Brazilian chocolate birthday cake, which is a chocolate cake with chocolate cream filling and chocolate sprinkles on the top. You get the feeling that chocolate is part of this?
Gee, I wonder if there's going to be any chocolate in it.
I think we'll get a little chocolate flavor.
Here forever. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging. Have a bite.
Yes, nice chocolate flavor.
Is there rum in here? It tastes like there's a bit of hooch in here, as the old saying goes.
This one had a long ingredients list. I wouldn't be surprised if they snuck some rum in.
I'm getting a hooch flavor along with a good chocolate flavor, and I'm not big on chocolate. This, though, is a nice chocolate cake. I would have more.
Here's a paçoquito. It's a soft peanut candy.
And since I'm allergic to nuts, it's all him.
Soft and a little crumbly. Tastes sort of like a peanut butter cookie, but very soft and crumbly as opposed to chewy. So I'm not a big fan of peanut butter, so I can take it or leave it. Next up, we have Brazilian sweet popcorn.
Oh, this is not what I was expecting it to look like. I was expecting it to look more like popcorn. This looks more like nuts. Dig in.
It does taste like popcorn with a hint of sweetness. It's not caramel corn sweet, but it's a nice flavor.
I'm kind of getting a stale flavor out of this.
Yeah.
It's not Yes, it tastes like popcorn, yet
It's not as crisp as freshly popped popcorn.
true. It's like a soggy, oh, what are those things called? Hang on, my brain will come up. Okay. It's like a soggy corn nuts, if that makes any sense. Next up, we have something called white chocolate passion fruit bites. There it is in all of its glory.
Sort of the size of a marshmallow, but a candy shell.
Very hard.
Very sweet passion fruit and candy-coated passion fruit.
That was good enough. I think I'll have another. My sweet tooth is very happy.
A few of those and you've got all the sweets you need for the day.
Well, I wouldn't say that because I have a big sweet tooth, but
it does have a nice passion fruit flavor.
I think these might be near the top of my favorites list for this box.
Last but not least, we have fruity licorice sticks with Greek yogurt filling.
We play with our food. This is what they look like. They don't specify if the licorice is a fruity licorice or a black licorice. I don't like black licorice, but I do like Greek yogurt and I do like fruit flavored things. So here goes nothing.
I can smell the sugar. I can't smell the licorice. I can taste the tanginess of the Greek yogurt.
I taste the tanginess of the Greek yogurt and I can taste the fruitiness.
Yeah, and there's a fruit. The texture is much like a licorice stick. But I'm not tasting licorice at the moment. The outside texture of the coating.
These are another winner for me.
So it may be more like red licorice, kind of a fruity licorice, as opposed to black licorice. Well, these are tasty.
These are good. So my top three are the pepperoni bites, the passion fruit, and the licorice.
I also like the pepperoni bites best, but also like the sweet popcorn and the chocolate on chocolate on chocolate cake.
So leave us a comment down below. Which one of these sounded tasty to you? One of the things that we like about Universal Yums is that it comes with an entire little booklet that tells us about the country. It tells us about the items that we get in the box. It gives us a recipe if we so desire to try and cook. And it gives us the thing that he likes the best, the trivia train. So here we go with the test that I have not studied for. Play along at home, leave your answers down below, and let's see if you can beat me at trivia. Okay.
First question. In the coastal city of Laguna, blank help fishermen to catch fish. A, dolphins, B, local dancers, C, jewelry makers, or D, sharks?
I'm torn between A, dolphins, and D, sharks, and I'm going to go with A, dolphins.
You got it right.
Yay, I finally got one right.
Yeah. The dolphins point at the fish to fishermen and say, here's the fish, here's the fish. Only place it happens, apparently. Next question. When it's hot and humid, it's not unusual for it to rain blank. A, cats and dogs, B, spiders, C, boiling water, or D, acid?
I hate to say it, but it's probably B, spiders.
You got it right again. Very good. Apparently spiders live up in trees or even up in buildings, and when it's rainy and windy, they tend to blow down. And
Oh, no.
but they're friendly spiders. Apparently
No.
they don't bite much and just crawl back
Don't
up to home.
bite. They don't bite much? No. I would not be going out in the rain. Nope. I don't do spiders. No, and no. Next question.
I guess the pet spider is out.
Ah.
Stick with the capybaras. Okay. The language of Brazil's indigenous Piraha people is unique because blank. A, it can be hummed. B, it can be whistled. C, it has no words for color. And D, it has no words for numbers.
It can be whistled?
That's true, but actually all four are true.
Oh.
It's largely tonal, so it could be hummed or whistled. And they have no real words for numbers. They just few, many, something like that. And they have no words for colors, just light, dark, things like that.
So I kind of got another one right.
Yeah.
3 for 3.
You did pretty darn good. You win a trip to Brazil, maybe. Or at least some Brazilian treats from Yums.
So let us know down below, how did you do on the trivia test? I'm thrilled that I got 3 for 3. That, I think, hasn't happened either in a long time or if ever. So we hope to see you again on another video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.